This video covers the basic tools you will need to set up your first Casper contract. First, you will need to install Rust on your machine. You can use curl to do so. You can also use brew on macOS or apt on Linux. Once you finish installing Rust, check your version. Next, you will need to install the cmake build tool. For the purpose of this video, I have already installed cmake, so we will check the version. Next, we need to use a tool called Cargo, which is a build system and package manager for Rust. It is much like pip if you are familiar with Python. Using Cargo, we can install the Casper crates. Let's now create a new sample project called My Project. If you look inside the newly created My Project folder, you will find two folders, Contract and Tests. Let's build a project with make prepare. This command will help us install the Rust toolchain and specify the target build as WASM. Next, we will compile the sample contract into WebAssembly using the make build contract command. I suggest building contracts in release mode because a debug build will produce a much larger contract that is more expensive to run on chain. You will now see a target folder that will contain the compiled smart contract named contract.wasm. In addition to creating the contract, the Casper crate also automatically created sample tests in the My Project Tests folder. Let's run the tests from the project folder, not from the test folder, with make test. After the compilation finishes, the test should run and you should see output similar to this message in your terminal. You are now set with a Casper local environment, which provides a virtual machine against which you can run your contract for testing. Since the test script automatically builds the contract, during development, you only need to run the command make test. Once you have a working Rust environment, you might also want to install the Casper client. This crate is a collection of CLI commands that simplify issuing instructions to the blockchain and querying information. In the next video, we will walk through the process of setting up an account for the Casper testnet.